Hi writers, happy Monday. Welcome back to Writers Workshop. I hope you had a nice weekend. We are getting closer to finishing our animal reports. So today we will be working on our cool facts or interesting facts page. So today we're talking about how research writers teach their reader more by creating an interesting facts page or a cool facts page. In our animal reports it says cool facts page. So today you will be opening up to the page that looks like this with the 3 circles for the pictures and some lines. And we will be focusing on adding more to our animal report by thinking of some cool facts that we haven't already talked about. So I will start by going through my book and kind of looking for some facts that maybe I haven't already taught my reader about, and then I will draw a little quick sketch and write a quick sentence about one of those cool facts about sharks. I'll show you how it looks like. All right, writers, so the cool facts page, I have already gone through my sharks book and kind of just reread some of the pages and try to think about what I haven't already talked about in my animal report. So some of the pages that I tabbed were just random facts that I thought were kind of interesting and cool that people might want to know. Something that I think is interesting is that sharks' tail fins are larger on the top, which helps them move through water better. So I was going to use that picture and draw a quick sketch and write a quick sentence on my cool facts page. So one thing we have to be careful of is we cannot plagiarize or copy the words that this author said. I can't copy these words. I have to write my own sentence. So I'm going to read it and then I'm going to put it in my own words so that I'm not copying this author. So shark tail fins are larger on top. This helps them move through the water better. So I think I will write sharks have fins that are larger on top, which helps them move quickly through water. Okay, so I did change the words to make it different than this page. This one says shark tail fins are larger on top. This helps them move through the water better. I said sharks have fins that are larger on top, which helps them move quickly through water. All right, cool facts about sharks. So there's one fact. I will go back later and draw the pictures. I went to another page, and another page which I thought was kind of interesting is right here. It says sharks take a test bite of prey before eating. Their taste buds tell them if the prey is fat enough to eat. So I thought that was interesting because sharks actually bite their prey and then they decide whether or not it's worth eating. And if it's not fat enough, then they won't eat it. So I'm going to think about how I can put that on my second cool facts in my own words. So I will say sharks bite their prey first before eating to see if the food is fat enough, period. Okay, so that's another interesting or cool fact about sharks. So a third one, I could write that there are 375 different types of sharks. That's interesting because I had no idea that there were that many types of sharks. Or I could also do something I found interesting here was that most sharks are hard to see. They have a dark back, and from above they blend in with the water, and they have a white belly. So from below they blend in with the sky. So I think that's an interesting thing. So I think I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to say sharks, because I know I mentioned that sharks camouflage, but I didn't explain it. So I'm going to explain it. Sharks camouflage into their surroundings, the things that are around them, period, their back is dark, comma, so from above, they just look like the water. I could even say their bellies are white, so they blend in with the sky. It's kind of a long one, but that's okay. It still fits. So today I used my book and I went through it to kind of find a few more facts that maybe I didn't already talk about so that I can teach my reader even more about sharks. So you will find some cool facts. You'll write a quick sentence and make sure that you are not copying the words. Make sure that you are using your own words. And then after you do these 3 things, you can draw a picture that goes with it. So on this circle, this picture, I would definitely draw their tail fin with a larger one on top. On this one, I would probably draw a shark biting its food. And on this one, I might draw kind of a shark blending in, or I might draw and make sure that I color the top dark and then the bottom white so that my reader knows what I'm talking about when I say camouflage. All right, reader, so today you will teach your reader more by creating an interesting facts or a cool facts page.